Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. We're here on deck 16. Check it out. Up here we have pools there on deck 15. Got a live band playing up there. Hot tubs in the distance. There's like a kids splash area. Vitamin coconut. Got a bar here. Thirsty. Stay hydrated. You got hot tubs. Right here. You can see 'em. Again, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. Hope you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day. Crazy. I'll tell you what.